Uninsured motorist coverage is a type of automobile insurance that in Texas, unless you sign a written waiver, you're required to have, or the insurance company is required to give you and to offer you. What uninsured motorist coverage does is it protects you against those uninsured drivers that are out there that hit you and cause you injury or cause you damage, cause you harms and losses. It pays what that uninsured driver would have to pay you. Now, underinsured motorist coverage in Texas is coverage that that adds to the liability policy of the person that caused the accident. For instance, in Texas, currently, you're required to have $30,000 in liability coverage for personal injury or bodily injury of someone you might hurt by your negligence. It's $30,000 per person and $60,000 total per occurrence. Now that's not a lot of money if you sustain a very severe injury. So underinsured motorist coverage, what that does is it adds on, you pay extra, and it adds on coverage to where if your total damages are more than the minimum limits or more than the other driver's policy, that you can then recover from your own insurance company. Now many people, when they come in, they say, well, Mr. Hart, I don't want to make a claim against my own insurance company. Won't that make my rates go up? And what I tell people is you've been paying extra. Some of you have been paying extra for 30 years to have uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage and have never made a claim. A lot of times your agent will tell you, well, don't make a claim against your uninsured or underinsured motorist carrier because it'll make your rates go up. Well, that simply is not true. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, making a claim against your uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage cannot legally make your rates go up or will not allow the insurance company to non-renew you or to cancel your insurance unless the accident was your fault. And of course, if the accident was your fault, you wouldn't be making a claim against your uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. It is illegal for the insurance companies to increase your rates based upon making a claim on an accident that was not your fault.